In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your wallet address on Zerion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to view your public address, show a QR code, and copy it safely so you can receive crypto without any confusion. First, go to Zerion. You can do this in your browser or in the mobile app. The experience is very similar on both. Once you're in Zerion and looking at the main dashboard, give it a moment to load your assets. If you haven't opened it in a while, it may refresh prices and balances. That's normal. What we're after is the place where your wallets are listed. On the home screen, look for the section labeled My Wallets. This is your overview of the wallets Zerion is tracking for you. You'll typically see wallet names or identifiers, current balances, and sometimes network icons. If you only have one wallet, you'll see a single card. If you have multiple, you'll see a list. This view helps you choose exactly which wallet address you want to receive crypto to. Now, choose the wallet you want and click on it. Opening the wallet view will bring up more detail for that specific wallet, including assets, recent activity, and available actions. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct wallet, especially if you manage more than one. This avoids mixing up addresses when you share them. Next, click on Fund. You'll usually find this as a prominent button in the wallet view. The Fund option is where Zerion groups actions related to adding assets to your wallet. Don't worry, you're not actually buying or depositing anything yet. We're just navigating to the place that exposes your receiving details. Then click on Receive Crypto. This is the key step. Zerion will show you a QR code and your wallet address in text form. The QR code is perfect if someone nearby wants to scan and send funds, while the text address is best for copying and pasting into a message or exchange. Always double check the first and last few characters before sharing to ensure it matches your wallet, and make sure the network you intend to receive on is supported by the sender. Remember, this is a public address, so it's safe to share, but never share your recovery phrase or private keys. That's it. Go to Zerion, open Home, pick your wallet, click Fund, and choose Receive Crypto to view the QR code and copy your address. Take your time, verify details, and you'll receive assets confidently and safely.